Okay, y'all, so we are on a quest here to get the Mini-X fixed now. We've got HYPERLITE's 450. We've got Dedic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna haul the Mini-X to the shop. We've got a guy coming down that is hopefully gonna fix this for me, and I'm forever grateful for him making this drive down. But first, we gotta get the old boat here off the trailer so we can hopefully get the Mini-X on. I mean, if the Mini-X is running as poorly as it was running the other day, it might not happen. I don't know. We're gonna find out here. Yeah, it should be interesting on getting this thing off, because honestly, the best way to get this off is to use the Mini-X. All right, we're gonna put the ramps down.
All right, throw a little bit of ply, lay 2 little pieces of wood down, hook a strap right up in there, and you're just gonna hook it to something else, the truck, and we're just gonna drive away.
No, it's gonna drag the crap out of my ramps.
That's what the wood's for.
No, like these are gonna drag on the ground.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful. We can't scratch this up. This is a show trailer. Let's see if the old Mini runs, because she'll make this a lot easier. Let's see if the old girl fires up. Okay, well, she's running. Dedic's shooing a goat out the way. You guys haven't met her. There's Dedic's new girlfriend. I introduced him to your new girlfriend. I don't think they met her. Oh, y'all look great together. All right, let's see what happens if we throttle up here. I don't know. Well, seemed like our hydraulics were doing good. Now it seems like they're kind of fighting me again. I think we can pick the boat up with the new attachment on here. Nah, maybe we shouldn't do that. Get her unstrapped here. All right, Dedic, push. Onward. Pick her up from here and we'll just walk her as far as we can get.
Okay.
All right, dog, put a strap over there, you know. Let's do it like the old Egyptians.
Yep.
This thing's gonna start coming after us.
Yeah.
We don't have a way to stop it. I'm not getting run over by a boat. I already got run over by a truck.
Let's get it. Oh, fuck, chain.
That was our safety chain. That's all we had.
Hey, it was working. It's safe.
All right. Oh, hold on. Strap. We got this, buddy. It can only go so far. You know what I'm saying?
And that's far as you up.
Oh, no. We'll go down. It just hits eventually.
Oh, this thing's gonna start moving once it goes down.
It don't weigh that much. Here, let go of this. We ain't gonna need this where we're going.
I'm not standing directly in front of it like you are. I'm standing inside the bed.
Someone's gotta stop it.
Yeah, the ground.
You can stop a truck, you can stop a boat. Come on, boat. Bail.
Oh, we're strong, man. We'll be able to stop it. I told you.
We got it unloaded. Great work, buddy. Let's put it where the Mini was. Behind you. Yes, Dedic.
Hey, man, you know what I keep thinking about? That'd be, a really smart idea?
What are you thinking?
A winch. How many times have I asked for a winch? You know how easy it would have been to just hook up a winch line to the back of that, and then we would have just had to hold it, and we could have just down, and walked it down.
Are we going to Harbor Freight today?
It's a safety item at this point, right?
It's true. We are all about safety, Dedic.
I can't afford another one, all right?
So we're going to get the old Mini-X loaded up here. Dedic.
Yeah.
Here you go, buddy.
What's up? Am I clear? Oh, is this that mouthpiece attachment?
She is all strapped down. We are ready to go. Let's head to the shop. You ready, Dedic?
Yeah.
Need some breakfast first?
Yeah, definitely breakfast.
Okay, we got you, buddy. We've got us a Rhino Ranch caviar.
They even did you the favor and kind of stomped it in a little bit, too.
Yeah, great donkeys. Thanks, donkeys.
Hey, man, don't you have a ranch hand for stuff like that?
So yesterday we ended up getting the Mini-X dropped off. We kind of stopped filming for the day because all we were doing was getting this thing here to the shop. So I put out an APB on Instagram asking you guys, obviously to see if anybody had some knowledge about what's going on with the Mini-X. And Darren reached out Darren is he's an equipment mechanic, a mobile equipment mechanic, and he's making the drive today. I believe it's 5 or 6 hours down here to come help me. So I'm super appreciative. We're waiting on him to show up, and we're gonna dive into this thing and see what the heck is going on with her. Hopefully get her fixed. And look at that timing. We were pulling out the Mini-X, and well, you can see it looks like Darren has pulled up. How you doing, man? Ryan.
Darren,
nice to meet you.
Meet you, bud.
So Darren drove, what, 5 hours, 6 hours? What did it end up being?
5 hours, just under.
I appreciate you, man, for sure. Coming down. You guys are probably saying, why didn't you talk to your local Bobcat dealer? Well, I did. They had absolutely no clue what I was talking about, which was like a giant red flag. And then second, they're like, we're not busy at all. I'm like, okay, cool. So if I take my machine today, what are we looking at? They're like, well, we'll get to it in about a week. We don't have that kind of time. Darren stepped up. He's like, bro, I'm coming down there. Let's get this done. So Darren just got really excited here because he realized we got a Kubota motor on this thing, and you are a Kubota. What do you call yourself? I don't know.
We're a Kubota dealer, so that's the only thing I work on. So.
Okay, we're about to broaden your brand here, even though you're working on the same damn engine.
Yeah, excavators are all basic. They all function the exact same way, so it's not.
Okay.
It's nothing different.
Yeah, let's poke around here. I mean, we got a couple of options. Could be bad fuel, could be plugged filter, could be plugged hydraulic filter, could be something stuck in the hydraulic system.
Could be just as simple as a restriction in the system.
Hey guys, that's how you know Darren's got it down right there. Look at that. Boom. Rocking the work for it decal. That was before he got here too. We didn't just slap one on when he wasn't looking.
I got 2 of them.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, nice. But what a horrible filter design here, huh? Jeez. I think we found our problem. The filter's just like locked itself in there. Great design, Bobcat. We couldn't make this easier to get to. Look at guys. If we would literally just shift this 2 inches back, we got room on the plate, we got room with the little cover right there, the lid, it would fit 2 inches back.
Yeah.
Oh, you're leaking on yourself there.
Smooth. It smells like gas.
Does it?
Yeah.
It does. All right, guys. So one of my concerns was maybe somehow fuel got mixed. I don't really know how. What? Oh, geez, guy, how'd you lose that?
Gas it, man. You're walking away with the YouTube video, and I'm like...
Oh, we got a forklift. Why are we doing this? So the fuel smells like there's some gas mixed in it.
Oh, I can smell that.
You smell it? Right? Now, granted, as far as I know, I'm the only one that ever touched my transfer tank. So I know for a fact there is diesel on that side. I actually smelt it before I started pumping the diesel, and it's the bigger tank on my transfer tank. However, I don't know what happened. It definitely smells like gas, though.
Definitely is gas.
Surprised it wasn't combusting more in there for running on gas.
See what you did there.
Good thing it's all mechanic.
Yeah, I was thinking that this is a E4D. What engine is this?
It's a 1.7 liter Kubota motor.
Yeah, that one.
D1703.
Yep. It's a good thing it's a D1703. So we're gonna pump this tank out. Well, I don't even want to pump it into here then, I guess. Granted, we know nobody could have got in there. It's locked. Ain't nobody sabotaging my equipment here, but myself apparently.
Unless they have a bucket.
Fair. Yeah, I guess it's not that hard. All right, guys, so we're gonna suck all this contaminated fuel out here. We got Zach's little sweet fuel pump system.
The dead battery.
With a dead battery.
I think I'm in the I'm definitely in it. That's what she said.
There we go.
Bam.
Dedic, I don't see nothing. Suck on it. Dedic didn't enjoy the little tube. It was too small for him.
Oh, that was it.
He's got to upgrade. He's got the bigger black hosing here.
Nope, I think it's curled in the bottom of the tank.
Want a flavor? Want to put some Tapatio on there? Make it taste better?
Tastes like gas?
Yeah, what's it taste like?
Yeah.
A little diesel gas mix?
It's got the of gas, but like that
oily
of diesel.
Yeah.
Oh, we're barely fucking. Don't make me do this again. Don't make me do this again. No.
You lost it?
Quit.
All right, y'all. So it seems like we weren't getting past the 90 right there. Straighten the hose out. Got her deeper in. Dedic is just putting his mouth to work today, buddy. We appreciate you. No.
That was the worst.
All right. Yeah, well, we found Zach's suction or siphon hose.
Well, we can get it in there.
Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah. And this is how we get banned.
Cut that little piece of.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're getting fuel, so it's right there.
All right, we're going deeper, guys. We're going deeper. Hey, look, we got a full fuel tank.
Pop this hose clamp off, and then we'll be able to just.
We're above that fill line, though. Oh no, we're close. We're close.
We're good.
All right, we'll get her in. Bucket number 2 is ready, buddy. Bucket number 2 is ready.
Smells Smell the bucket, dude.
I want to smell what's coming out. It smells like diesel.
A couple $1,000s in fuel right there. California prices.
Okay, y'all, well, we've got the contaminated fuel out. Granted, it's starting to smell a lot more like diesel. Does gas float on top of diesel?
Diesel's gonna float on top of gas.
Yeah, that's why you got.
Maybe you're drawing off the bottom of the tank.
So you were pulling in the gasoline. Technically, if you ran it long enough, it would have worked it out. Who knows if it works out before you do damage or.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we got 5 gallons here, some clean fuel. The finest of cherry flavor. Clip-on funnel?
It's nice. I like it.
My grandpappy wish he had that on his metal can. So Darren's getting her all cleaned up in there. I'm gonna run to Napa and just grab a Napa filter. He does not recommend we run Napa filters. He recommends we run, obviously, the genuine Bobcat filters. But today's a Sunday, and again, huge thank you to Darren for coming down here on a Sunday. We're just gonna get one just to get this thing up and going, and then we'll end up swapping it out to a Bobcat filter, and I can already see the comment section being like, Ryan, you know you're never gonna swap it out. This one's important. I care about my Mini-X. Okay, let's go see what we can get here. All right, we have got ourselves a filter. Let's go back to the shop. All right, boys, I've done all I'm qualified to do, and that's hold a camera and go run for parts. So,
Gotta have somebody.
it's a 14 micron filter, if it makes you feel a little better. It's not 40.
We'll do for now.
Okay. Look at this guy.
Yeah, man, if it's already torn apart, you might as well spray a few things down in it.
Look at you,
do a
buddy.
Little something. Check this bad boy out. So it's a little wand plugged up at the end. They've only got those holes right there
Okay.
to direct the air, and you can sit there and just blow it out this way, get everywhere, turn it over, blow it out this way.
Nice.
And then you can knock that off and do each one individually.
Nice. All right, guys, she's fired back up. She's probably a little happier on diesel, not gas.
Sounds a whole lot better. It was all choppy earlier.
Way smoother sounding. I just like to run gas through the injectors every once in a while, clean everything out. Yeah, that sounds kind of cool.
Is that considered straight piping it right there?
Right? We get an HSP intake?
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like we got one issue resolved. Let's see what happens with this thing. Now, granted, there's a good chance, because we don't have the one-way valve yet. The one-way valve is like our biggest issue going on here, and it probably is what the issue is with the hydraulic system. So we're gonna go give a little test here so we can show Darren what this thing was doing. Kick the hydraulics on.
Is it good?
It's working. Well, buddy, she appears to be working great.
Hey, fix the running issue and everything else will follow.
All right.
It's not going into relief, so that's a good sign.
Yeah. I mean, does that mean we're gonna work? I wonder if that one-way valve built into the thing.
That one-way valve is when you shut it off, the fluid flow flows into the return.
And she seems to be working. She's not going into that limp mode, throttling down like she was doing, which is good. I just don't want to do damage by not having that valve, but I would assume that, like, being that it kicked into its own little limp mode last time, like maybe she, I don't know. Granted, the valve's like a month delayed, so we can order the valve and we can get the valve. Okay, guys, well, she's all put back together. Darren went ahead, we had a Zerk fitting that came out the last time Dedic greased this machine here.
Don't you dare.
Who did it?
Don't you I put the grease fitting on it, or put the grease pump on it, literally fell out. And I was like, oh, okay.
That's why we can't have nice things.
Try to do something
That's why we
nice
can't
for
have nice
someone.
things. Remember the
Try to
mini
do
truck stopped
something
running when you touched it? And then started running the next day?
It was barely running when I got into it.
So we've got a fresh grease fitting right there. She's getting freshly greased up.
I leave and you start losing.
What? That one's been, oh, where'd the nut go?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Granted, yeah, my job was always to check the nuts and all the pins. This is a job site fix.
Fuck it.
Hey, it works great. That's better than putting a nut on it because the nut comes off.
That's not tape.
This'll work.
Whatever, I'll try it.
So Darren did all the hard work today. So me and this guy are just, you know, just see if we can do the stuff we see on the interwebs.
It doesn't matter, it either blows up or it flies off.
Hey, whoa!
What?
That's good oil. Yeah.
Why is there a funnel leading into it?
Jesus, that's good hydraulic oil.
Jesus, is that you?
Hey, bud.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Less water. Less water.
Less water and more of a tighter seal.
All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. We'll put water in it so we're not getting covered in freaking soda. We got the Mountain Dew Major Melon bottle. It's got a more stout cap here. There we go. All right, let's go. This one's gonna blow up in your face, for sure.
You have a kink in the line?
Pressure might be off.
Oh my god, that is tight.
not at the
Right
front.
at the go.
Stop it! Go get the compressor out, or you have a kink or something? Go! I just want it away. Why was that so tight on there?
We wanted a good seal. We got a good seal. You got it better now, buddy?
Yeah, we're good now.
All right.
Oh, already. Hold on, let me try that again. Me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Seeing stars right now. I can't hear out of my left ear. Oh my god!
How many fingers am I holding up, buddy?
Well, I'm trying to figure out where I'm at. Forget the fingers. I think we figured it out. Where's the bottle? Is that the bottle?
Yeah, that's the bottle.
That's what's left of it.
Oh my god.
Dude, it took all the ribs out of it. Sit down for a little bit.
You guys don't know how relieved I am to have the Mini-X up and running here. We're gonna get the one-way valve ordered up, but it seems like the hydraulics are working fine now that we got all the you know, weird fuel issues going on. I honestly don't know what happened. I know everybody's gonna say, Ron, you put gas in there, you screwed up. I pulled off the diesel side of my tank. It smelled like diesel. I always smell before I put it in. And in fact, I pulled off the other tank the same day to get gas to fill up my lawnmower. So I'm not sure what happened, what got mixed, how something happened, I don't know. But at the end of the day, Darren ended up, you know, figuring out for us and getting us fixed. Huge thank you to you, brother, for saving the day. Appreciate you making the drive.
Anytime.
We're gonna go treat Darren to some real Tijuana tacos,
See?
but on this side of the border. You ready for some adobada?
Yeah, definitely.
You know what that is?
Nope. No idea.
Alright guys, so with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now to not miss any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Work For It Apparel, because there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Nailed it.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.